Let's solve the exponential equation. 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 equals 56. We'll break this problem down step by step and find the value of x. Step 1. Let's factor out the smallest power of 2 from all terms. Here, that's 2 to the power x. So we write out each term in terms of 2 to the power x, then factor it. 2 to the power x plus 2 times 2 to the power x plus 4 times 2 to the power x. Combine like terms. 1 plus 2 plus 4 times 2 to the power x. So that is 2 to the power x times 7. Now, we set this equal to 56. Step 3. Divide both sides by 7 to isolate 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x equals 56 divided by 7, which is 8. Step 4. Now, we recognize that 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 3. That means x must be equal to 3. Therefore, the answer is x equals 3.